Okay, welcome back to my science journal. This video response is for the week of January 19th. So for this week, I've been really focusing on kind of destroying some of the misconceptions I have about being a civic science teacher. The reason I think I have some of these misconceptions is because the way I was taught science is completely different from the way we're learning about how to teach science. What I remember most about the science classroom is taking notes and learning facts and just sitting in our desks. It was really boring. I didn't like it, but that's what it was. It was like the teacher had all the answers and we were just fed those facts, just filled up to the top until we couldn't handle it anymore. And it was really hard because then you would just spit those facts back out on an exam and then you would forget everything later on. So I don't think I ever developed any of those really inquisitive skills. I mean, the elementary classroom, we focused on a lot more exploring and going out in the world and actually working with our surroundings. But once we got into high school, it was mostly desk work. We didn't get to participate in many experiments or anything like that. So I think this class is going to be really good for me in the idea that I can reevaluate who I want to be as a science teacher, because I really think it's important to be able to let our students go out there, go out and explore and provide them with learning opportunities to do that. So that's what I'm working on this week. And as well, I've been working on the periodical assignment, and this has helped me to see some activities that will work with the five E's that we've been focusing on, which let me see here are engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. And at first I wasn't too sure about the 5 E's. I know what's going on with them, I know what we need to do, but I needed to find an activity that would fit in there. So for the periodical assignment, I found this to be really beneficial because I've been able to go out on the internet, through some periodicals, through some magazines, and really find some valuable ideas that I can use in my classroom. And especially right now in my pre-internship, I'd like to teach them some science and maybe focus my unit around a specific science topic. So I would like to find lots of interesting ideas, and I'm really excited to get in the classroom and do some experiments and really explore what we can bring to the table. Other than that, I think what else did I find interesting about this week, or something I would like to reflect on, I guess, is what are the questions we ask in science. I found that to be really important to focus on, about the how, the who, what, where, when, and why. And we need those questions because that is central to science, is that inquisitive nature and going out there. So as teachers, if we don't understand those questions, it'll be hard to teach our students how to ask those questions as well. So I think that is about it for this week. Next is my engagement activity. I have to get ready for that, and I'm really excited. I'm trying to find the best activity possible. I know it's going to be really hard to fit an activity into 15 minutes. It'll be really a rush, but I know we're supposed to focus on just the beginning part, the engagement part, because that's what really hooks the students. So I'm out to go find an activity and go finish that periodical assignment, so it should be a good week. Check in with me next week. The next video response should be up on Friday. Talk to you later.